Alright y'all, we're here at Horn Island off the coast of Mississippi. We're going to chill out and maybe do a little fishing here. We didn't have any luck inshore, so we're here and I'm gonna check it out. Sponge. I think it's the same one I just caught. Alright, so if y'all see that orange sponge, we can't keep those. So we let that go. All right, got one in here with no sponge and one with a sponge. Now I got one sponge and one good one. Oh man, I had my net backwards. Let it go with. See 5?
Oh yeah.
We got 3. We've been here 5 minutes and we got 3 crab. Look at this one, y'all. No sponge. He's trying to get me. Big one. Look at that big one.
Oh, good Lord, it's wrong.
No sponge on that one.
To the top, that's like 50 crabs.
you got one that's not a sponge. Congratulations. Oh.
I would like to say I helped her though.
Contributed. I've been out here before. They was probably saying that they're so damn big. I can grab 7 or 8 of them.
Yeah.
Got one sponge.
Yeah, today's like 1 out of 9. Or 9 out of 10, I mean. Man, I fought one for 30 minutes just to get them off. They're hard to catch. You gotta get rid of those sponge crabs, and probably 9 out of 10 you catch are sponges, but check this out. Look at that. Well, we've been out here maybe an hour? Yeah, hour and a half. I forgot to mention, that's Jake. That's my wife's cousin. They came out here and they got in the stingray. So, just chilling out, having a good time. We got one on the verge of escaping. Oh, there she goes. Oh, that one got away. He got me. That one got me. Glad he let go. Eating hot dogs on the island.
Grab another chicken.
Feeding the seagulls. They'll get brave here in a minute. Come get those. That was one.
This Matthews, I told him, I said, hey, look, watch my chili dog. Them seagulls will swoop under here and they will grab your whole chili dog and take off with it. He's like, okay, whatever. So I went and got napkins. I was coming back. When I was walking to it, I was like, man! Seagull swooped in. Chili dog, the whole thing, all of it, gone. He laughed so damn hard at me. I said, I told you. That's why I ordered 2 of them.
Yeah. Got a horseshoe crab shell. Wouldn't mind seeing one of those walking around out here. It's 3:45. We're gonna leave here in about 15 minutes. We're hoping the wind was gonna calm down, but as you can see, it hasn't. It's gonna be a rough ride headed back. We got a bunch of crabs. We may be boiling some blue crab tonight. We'll bring y'all along. Dang, I didn't need all of them. Alright y'all, I don't know how many crabs we caught. It's really rough out here. We're headed back in. It's gonna be a long ride. Right now we're just trying to get around on the north side of Horn. Hopefully the seas will calm down and be able to run back home, and maybe we'll be cooking some blue crabs tonight. We'll see y'all there. Catching blue crabs, or well, we didn't come prepared for it, so we have no way to get them out of there, put them in there, so we're using the pliers, which is a little dangerous. This one's dead. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, he's alive because he's holding on to the pliers. I can't get the plug out because, woo, he about got me still.
Hayden, you want to try it?
No, thank you.
Got all the crabs in the cooler, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean those right now. And it's already 6:40, but also just want to say to Sharman's cousin Jake and his wife Randa, just thank y'all for meeting us out there. Made it a good time. We enjoyed hanging out with you guys, so appreciate it. And we're gonna clean some crabs, and I don't know how. I guess we're gonna be boiling them tonight. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see you in just a minute. Pop the back off. Clean their gills or whatever you call them. Take the hose. Clean them out. And pop this little back off. And now you have a clean crab. It's ready to put in a boil, steam, throw it on the grill, whatever you want to do. For simplicity, we'll probably just put them, boil them tonight. Alright y'all, the water's about boiling. We're gonna add some liquid Zatarins. We got some powder over here. Ooh, I about dropped that. Add about that much. It's probably 5 times what it calls for. Now we got the Zatarins powdered boil. Add quite a bit of that, probably 5 times what's recommended on the label. Alright, our water is at a boil. I'll put this out of the way. Put the crabs in. I counted 37. Look at that one. Look at that. I don't think they're all going to fit in here, so we may have to do 2 boils. But go ahead and start adding them in there. We'll get as many as we can and go from there. Alright, we're gonna got those in the water. We're gonna let it get back to a boil. We'll let them boil for about, I don't know, 5 to 8 minutes, and then they're gonna soak for 30 minutes. And we got some potatoes going, and we're gonna throw in some corn and some sausage to go with everything. So, alright, we're gonna pull these crabs out. Tongs, we're keeping a set of these on the boat. We just really didn't think about it much this day. We really didn't try to fish too much. We just went ahead and headed out to the island and hung out. And we knew there's crabs out there, but we just didn't think to bring what we needed to catch crabs. So we ended up without a pair of tongs, and y'all saw how much trouble that was. Alright y'all, we got our blue crab, we got some potatoes, some corn, some sausage, and we're going to sit down as a family and eat a late dinner. We had a great time today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks y'all.